Welcome again to my channel where I review the best passive income crypto projects for you. Today I want to introduce you to a new DeFi platform on the Binance Smart Chain called Furio. It works similar to Drip. Furio also uses a sustainable taxation system with the possibility to compound your interest, but the difference is that Furio pays out up to 2.5% per day instead of 1%, so you may be interested in it. By the way, if you also like to make passive income with crypto, and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button right now and smash the notification bell to be the first to hear when I post a new video. Your support is very much appreciated and it will help to show my content to more people. Furio launched a few days ago, and I got in with a little risk capital to see how it goes. This is an Roi Dapp, paying up to 2.5% per day with some cool features to make it more sustainable. I will show you how to buy FUR tokens and put them in the vault in a minute, but let's first check the white paper to find out more about the reward system. The official token of the Furio network is called FUR. There's a maximum supply of 1 million FUR tokens, and you can buy FUR on the Furio swap page with USDC tokens. The price of FUR has been going up constantly since its launch, which is special in this terrible bear market, so I am very bullish about FUR. Not only because you cannot sell FUR, as the token is required to earn rewards on the platform, but also because there is a limited supply. If you buy FUR tokens on the Furio website, you will not pay the 10% tax like you will on other exchanges. This is also the case with Drip. Once you have your FUR tokens, you need to put them in the vault contract, where you can earn your daily yield. The money you put in the contract cannot be taken out again. You can only claim your daily interest, up to 360% of the initial principal amount. The rewards are paid from all the taxes that people pay when claiming, selling or compounding FUR. I recommend compounding your earnings every day to grow your balance as fast as possible, and to get the highest yield. If the tax pool is ever left in a situation where there isn't enough FUR to pay rewards, new FUR tokens will be minted to ensure rewards are paid out. This is also how Drip works, and it has already worked for Drip, so that's a fine security feature. To deposit into the vault, you need to join someone else's team by manually adding their wallet address into the buddy referral system. Furio has a referral program just like Drip, so you can build a team and earn free Furio tokens when people use your link and make a deposit or compound their interest. I will leave my wallet address below. Copy the address and insert it in the form field when asked for a referral address to become a member of my Furio team and receive my airdrops. I love doing airdrops to reward people who support me. As you may know, I recently started a Drip team called the Dripaholics. It's a small team with 17 members, but I already airdropped 170 Drip tokens to them. If you want to join my team and also receive free Drip every Sunday, you can find all the details in the description box below. If you also want to build a team and receive referral rewards from your downline, you must hold Furio NFTs in your wallet. The depth of rewards is determined by your NFT holdings. Tier requirements for referral bonuses are shown here. Furio also has a whale tax to prevent big wallets from draining the protocol. The more tokens you claim, the more taxes you pay. It's a safety measure to protect the contract. The whale tax system is explained here, and if you scroll down you see all the other taxes that are charged when you make a transaction on the network. Furio has based its liquidity on a pairing with the USDC stable coin, which is unaffected by market fluctuations like BNB or Ethereum. The reward system is simple. There are positive participants, neutral participants and negative participants. Positive participants who compound every day and don't claim will get the highest return of 2.5%. Neutral participants who do a 50-50 compounding and claiming get 2%. And negative participants who just take out money get penalized with a 0.5%. Every new player starts as a neutral participant and earns 2% per day. Here's my status. And if you click on your wallet address at the top of the page, a pop-up will appear with an overview of your Furio account like your participant status, reward rate, vault balance, deposited, compounded, claimed, referral rewards, taxes paid and airdrops sent and received, so that's useful. My strategy is to compound as much as possible in the beginning, so I get to my 2.5%. There's a 10% tax if you deposit in the vault and if you claim your daily rewards. 5% tax is applied if you compound. For more details about the round-robin referral system, and how the bonuses are distributed in the Furio team, check out this part of the white paper where you can read everything. To get started, connect your MetaMask wallet to the Furio website first, and make sure to have some USDC stablecoin tokens in your wallet. Go to PancakeSwap to get some if you don't have any. Enter the amount of USDC that you wish to swap for FUR tokens on the swap page, and you will see the amount of FUR that you will receive in this box. One important thing before you buy FUR is to make sure that the deposit directly into the vault checkbox is unchecked. If you don't do this, the FUR tokens will be automatically locked in the vault and you will not get into my team and miss out on my airdrops. So don't forget this. Hit the swap button, confirm your transaction in MetaMask as usual, pay the small gas fee, and your FUR balance will appear here at the top right. Now you need to put the FUR tokens in the vault. Enter my wallet address in the referral field below the amount of FUR that you like to deposit. The referral field is not showing up here, because I am logged in my own account, but if you open a new account you will see the form right here. Give me a second to log out from my account, so you can see the referral form field. Okay, here it is. This is where you put my wallet address. It works exactly like Drip, where you need to enter a buddy address to get in the Faucet. When done, confirm your transaction, and your tokens will start earning rewards right away. You can view your current rewards on the team page, and here you can also buy Furio NFT tokens to build your own team and do airdrops. Airdrops are sent from your wallet balance into the recipient's vault balance. This amount will be split evenly between all qualifying team members. Furio NFTs that you own are listed right here on the left side of the page, and your referrals will show up here. To get the most out of the smart contract, I recommend you to compound every day until you hit the 2.5% rewards, and when you want to claim your rewards, go to the claim page to withdraw your tokens. If this video is too fast, and you want to read all the details again, you can download the white paper to your computer and read it later. I have no idea if this contract will last for a long time or not. I can't predict the future, and I am not a financial advisor. But there are some unique features in Furio that will help keep the contract sustainable, and that's why I got in with some risk capital. If this thing goes to zero, which I hope it won't, I will not lose my sleep because I never invest money that I can't afford to lose, and you should do the same. There are plenty of opportunities to earn money in this bear market with DeFi platforms like Drip, the Animal Farm, Piston Race, My Diamond Team or Avarice, just to name a few dApps that earn me daily passive income while the whole crypto market is collapsing and fear and uncertainty rule. I have really high expectations of Avarice, which is a unique dApp, paying awesome returns in BNB. It's created by an experienced team, and they are doing a killer job. For the moment it earns me around 8% per day, so if you have some BNB sitting in your wallet, this is a great place to put it. Go watch my video review and you can see how I use the protocol. It's crazy. Don't be fooled. Making money in a bear market is easy. If you are into Drip and the Animal Farm, you can buy Drip BUSD LP tokens in the Drip Liberation contract, lock the LP tokens in the Drip Garden and earn 3% per day. When the Animal Farm goes live again, you can claim some of your LP tokens and put them in the pig pen to earn BUSD and repeat the process. It's so simple. Still not many people know about Drip and other DeFi protocols. That's one of the reasons why I make these videos. I not only enjoy the creative process of recording and editing, but I also love to share tips with other people so they can also benefit from these amazing DeFi protocols. If you are in my Telegram, then you can also find the link there, along with all the other protocols that I am involved in. I always share the latest dApps in my Telegram, and then I post them here on YouTube. If you like watching my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.